In this video, we will learn how to create highlight on Facebook. So let's begin. So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open up your Facebook app. So here we go. So once you are here, simply go and tap on these three lines at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this would be at the right top corner. So this would open up your menu. Here tap on see your profile at the top. This would open up your profile. Now go and tap on these three dots at the right of add story. In some of the cases, so here what we need to do is we need to go to story archive. So if you tap on these three dots, simply go to the story archive. This would open up all of your stories. And if you want to add them as highlights, simply go and tap on any of the story. And here at the bottom, you can see highlight. Tap on highlight. This would open up add to highlight. Tap on either you can add to an existing highlight or you can add a new highlight. Tap on add new. Here you can set the title of this highlight, and once you have set the title of this highlight, you can add more photos and videos from the archive, and here tap on done at the right top corner. Before that, you can go for the privacy setting as well by tapping on the settings gear at the right top corner. This would open up your privacy setting. Now tap on done and you would be able to add highlight on Facebook, on iPhone as well as Android. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.